So welcome to my kitchen, and on today's video, it's going to be very awesome. If you didn't know how to do this, you're about to find out. We're going to make some bacon. And if you new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what's in store, so buckle up, let's get to cooking. So the first thing you want to get is your stove ready before you start making bacon, because you need something to put it in. This is a skillet. That's the key thing you're going to need today. You need to preheat this skillet. So I'm going to preheat it to medium. So as the pan is coming up to temperature, you can go ahead and open your bacon. Actually pass some time. If you're getting in a rush, you make mistakes. Now you can use butter. I don't prefer butter with my bacon. You can use oil, cooking oil. Some people do. I don't anymore. I found the oil makes the bacon a lot more crunchy. I'm not a fan of super crunchy bacon. I'll show you how I fix it today, but you can improve on the way I do it and find what works best for you, or do it my way, and you might enjoy it better. Who knows? So I'm going to get a piece of my bacon, and I'm going to put it in my skillet long ways. Be careful not to get burnt, because that skillet is going to be hot. Do you hear that bacon? Sounds so yummy. So if you want more sandwiches, once this gets done, you can fry you up some more pieces. The main thing is, in the good tasting bacon, is not to rush it. So I just need 3 strips today. That's how come you're getting this video, because I'm making a peanut butter and bacon sandwich. That's in a whole nother video. Boy, we're cooking now. Now the trick to this is, it ain't no timer or anything you can set. I mean, you could time this. It's been about 2 minutes on this. Depending on how crunchy you want your bacon, will depend how long you fry it. So it's been about 2 minutes. I'm flipping it over to the other side now. You can see it's starting to brown. So you keep turning this about every 2 minutes till you get it the crunchiness or softness that you want it. It's bacon, it's very delicious, especially when it gets crunchy, but not too crunchy. Ever so often you can pick your bacon up and just keep a check on it. So our bacon is looking extremely delicious. It's been on the skillet about 6 minutes now, and I've been flipping it. It's been flipped over at least 3 times. It's starting to get crunchy now. If we used oil or butter, it would have got extremely more crunchy. But, as I said, I prefer it fried this way. But if you like oil, using oil or using butter, that's something you can do. I might show you some other ways you can fry bacon here soon. Now you want to be careful with this bacon, because it will pop back at you. I'm going to flip this one last time, and it should be done by the time I get a plate and everything to put it in. I got me a plate with a paper towel. The paper towel helps get this grease that come off this bacon and soaks into it. I mean, bacon, extremely juicy bacon might not be the healthiest thing for you, but it's delicious. But I'm trying not to have a heart attack here, so I like putting at least some of the grease onto a paper towel. And that's the bacon. So the bacon looks extremely good. It's a little smoky in here. I didn't run the overhead vent on my stove because it makes a lot of noise. It's old, old stuff makes noise. So I got the screen door open now, but don't mind the smoke in the video. But run your overhead stove thing so you don't do this to your home. So I'm going to go ahead and try one piece for you. I eat these quite a bit. Probably ain't the best thing to do, but I do like my bacon. Don't know about you. And I'm going to save 2 of them for a sandwich. Oh, that's so good. Now you can add salt and pepper to these if you wanted to, but I don't. This is just how I eat them. Just straight bacon. Not too crunchy. You probably can hear it in the mic. Not too soft. Just right. kind of like the bacon you will get on your Baconator from Wendy's. Very good. So if you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I said it at the beginning of the video. Appreciate it if you do. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching another one of my videos. I appreciate that too. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.